You can just eat it all, Kyle.
Yeah, I am.
Alright.
Alright, cool, calm, collected.
Sure. Boom.
We live.
Oh, it's Thursday already.
Yeah.
Thursday. Yippee. Sick.
Thursday. Okay, so what I'm watching is like 5-minute breakers. Like, are we able to support higher? And also the 50-minute fair value gap. This would be the unicorn.
Alright, cool. Was there 1 minute that created the... Oh my goodness, the 1 minute's just falling.
Yeah, it's the 15 minute on the high.
Well.
Well, objectively, this is just a retracement, though, to be honest. 15-minute gap is being tapped into right now. But this is where you'd want price to hold, pretty much. Because if it doesn't, it'd be the 5-minute gap being inverted afterwards.
Alright, cool. Yo, the guest is Ethan.
Yeah, what's
it's
up?
not anybody else.
Yeah, it's nothing crazy. We out here in Hong Kong, bruh. Am I in frame? I am.
Yes.
Yeah, we out here in Hong Kong.
Let me move this up so you guys don't have to look at the
Oh,
arts.
yeah.
Boom.
Oh, nice.
What's good, Aaron?
What's good, Aaron? Yeah, it's not looking good.
Yeah, not looking ideal.
Now shorts.
But like, what framework do we have for...
I don't have framework for shorts though. The thing is, like, even if this has this dig right now, it's still ideal for longs in my opinion.
Yeah. Previous day
Until
high
this
and
15-minute
high.
gap inverts or something.
Yeah. Previous day high and 15-minute high. Cut the long, took partials, move stopped, and profit. Hopefully I get another long.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. It's looking fairly strongly bearish. I haven't full ported in 3 weeks. My account is doing well. Oh, there we go.
Okay, let's go, Aaron.
Crazy how that works, brother. This is a dig and a half.
Yeah.
Dig and a steeg.
This is pretty much where you want to see that support, though. It's very strong bearishness.
Yeah, no wick on ES 15-minute high. But I won't put too much weight on that. Maybe there's a chance to scale in more if there's a...
It could be, but you're going to need very bullish signature here.
Yeah. Better be a 1 minute SMT.
That pyramid's about to get stopped here.
How are you guys managing along? We just have stops at our original stops. So like if we pyramid it in, then we probably have some stops at break even, but we're really watching this 15-minute gap right now, seeing how price reacts. If it inverts, then like we're probably gonna be stopped at a less than 1 hour loss and probably wait a long bit until we reconsider anything else. That would most likely be the case.
Let me check the... Yeah, I think my pyramid position is about to get stopped. So that's gonna be the break even there. Now I got my
How's it
original
going?
entries.
It's just going.
Yeah, this might be a good short though, low key, if it does do this.
You have 15-minute change of state or something?
Are you sure you don't want to be on that? Okay, you're gonna just let it.
I'll let it rip me in half.
Okay.
Yo, what's up, Fact Loop? Welcome to the stream. Today's gonna be a short stream. We're probably gonna end stream at like 10.
Yeah.
Because we haven't eaten yet.
We might actually end at, yeah, like 9:45 or something.
Yeah, whatever.
Because I'm pretty sure my mom is like.
She's on her way?
Yeah, she's on her way.
Okay.
Can you watch the? Oh yeah, this looks good actually. 1 minute. Yeah.
And then 1 minute change of state.
See if it gives us that change of state. But you're gonna need to see like 9:30 really run it up here.
Yeah, even if it wicks lower and like it's pretty cooked.
I am bullish as of right now. I'm currently watching this 15-minute fair value gap. If it's able to hold price or not. We are in longs right now. My stops are resting.
It's basically where our entry is.
Yeah. My entry is like all the way somewhere down here. Forgot where it was. It's at over here. It's 23098 around here. That's my entry. So if it goes down there, that'll be pretty much the invalidation of this 15-minute fair value gap, as well as my break even. And then from there, I might switch short, but I want to see this inversion of this 15-minute gap before I consider any shorts at all, because the narrative on the higher timer is just too bullish in my opinion.
Five minutes until equities open, or like 6 minutes. Let's see what we can get.
Another 1 minute S&P on the low. Who knows?
It's looking like pretty mid now, but
yeah,
we'll have to see.
It's looking so bearish on the lower time frame.
Yeah. Maybe it's that sweep that what was it? That Jacob was looking for? Or whoever? Day? Who was looking for that sweep? I don't remember.
No, I doubt it. I wouldn't want to see a sweep on the lows because of the SMTs on the lows. So here, like, as we enter 925, 930, this is where I prefer to see price continue to push higher, because if we go down to a 1 minute chart, we created a double 1 minute SMT on the lows, and this is pretty much the final chance for price to be respecting this 15-minute gap before it looks really ugly here. So this 15-minute gap, if we pay attention to the 50% level of it, that's where we're trading into right now, and we've created 1 minute SMT within it. So time frame alignment wise, this is where I'd like to see higher prices pretty much. If it doesn't give us lower prices from there, then higher prices from here, then I just probably start looking for lower prices once we flip this 15-minute fair value gap.
Fact Loop says 15-minute fair value gap can't hold. He's saying it now. He's done red.
Yeah, with this displacement, it's not looking likely.
Yeah.
But objectively, until we invert it, and I'm stopped at break even, I'm not gonna swap. I'm not gonna reverse my position.
YM might be the one to trade.
Yeah, we'll see. I still think YM is the cleaner narrative here, though. TBH.
Because price just take out the high and go down without the close of C. Close of candle.
See how this closes here? I'm gonna enter a buy on Dow as well, but I'm only risking 0.25 R on this trade. And I'm gonna see if that can run or not.
No, it's ugly. I think we get stopped, but that's fine. Let's see. Dow seems to be front running potentially.
Yeah.
Hopefully. We'll see. Whatever. We either get stopped or we continue. Apex or Top Step or any other future prop, which is the best in your opinion and why? Personally, my favorite is Top Step. It's just super easy to use and just like very reliable. Apex has had some history of unreliability. It's just you can what's it called? You can copy trade a lot more. But in my opinion, I like Top Step.
Yeah, so we're about to get equities open 2 minutes here. See
Yeah,
what
and
we
then
can
we get
get.
stopped. No.
It still
Okay.
looks good for longs though. Like you see this divergence on the low with Dow.
Yeah.
Did it just gap down or am I tripping? No, it just pushed lower. Okay.
Yeah. See if we get stopped here. 1 minute. See the 1 minute chart. Jeez, that's ugly. It's quite ugly. Not even a 1 minute S&P on lows anymore.
Damn, better get stopped at BE here.
Bow, bow, bow. All good. One minute till equities open.
You watch
I
the
think-
5 minute chart real quick.
Or Q2 low.
Let's see if we have SMT. There's no 5 minute SMT. 1 minute.
No, 1 minute.
I wonder if the 930 can kind of do a quick low retracement here for like a short idea kind of thing.
Maybe. I think bias will change. Yeah, bias can possibly change, especially with
Yeah.
this inversion of this 15-minute gap.
It's looking likely as of right now.
Yeah, if this inverts, then very likely. I can see it.
Yeah. Better
Every-
get stopped that break even.
Everyone and their mother bearish. That's the 15-minute inversion. That'd be a true market structure shift. Right? Actually, no, it's not.
Okay, does equities open? See what happens.
Did it? Not in close below, but still doesn't look good.
It closed below the 50% level, which is not something ideal.
Yeah.
That I will say that. So currently I am break even.
Oh, tempting to scale in, but no.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I want to see if we get like a clean displacement here. I might re-enter.
No. Oh wait, I'd wait for a 5-minute change in state delivery.
Yeah, exactly. So I
Yeah.
want to see like a clean displacement from 930.
But it looks like it might just be a manipulation up. Let's see. Oh, YM's going.
Yeah.
You're right, YM. YM's doing one.
Still looks good to me.
Yeah. Just NQ and them are not following. Yeah, that is, and that creates a 1 minute SMT on the highs.
I think it might create like a 5 minute SMT or something. But this might be is this a SMT on the highs?
No, our 5 minutes are taken out. All
But
right.
like on the 1 minute it is, right?
Yes, on 1 minute it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They're 1 minute.
this is
S&P
rough
highs.
because my narrative is still bullish until this 15-minute technically. A little bit rough.
Yeah. YM was the one to trade, huh?
Yeah, it's all
YM
good,
just flying. Oh man. Oh, even ES is about to make a change in state delivery. It's everyone but NQ.
though. I think NQ might go for the equal lows then first and then give us that push.
Yeah, maybe a 5 minute.
We will see in 10 seconds. Or not 10 seconds. In how long? 2 minutes. Will this be a 5 minute on the low?
Yep.
It would be. Okay, nice. Very nice. That is what we want to see.
I was just sending it. It's just so decoupled.
Mm-hmm.
I have to reduce risk in this. Time to wait, guys. Waiting, part of the game. Let's see.
Okay, souping the
How can you
lows
predict what
here.
asset is moving faster and trade that one?
It just depends what the higher time frame looks like. So in this case, like the YM looks like it has a cleaner higher time frame narrative, which is why I think longs are better on it.
Yeah. That van, you can. How can you scale up with top step? You can have 5 accounts, not 3. You can have 5 accounts. So you can have 5 150Ks or 100Ks or 50Ks. And then, yeah, you can have 20 on Apex, yeah.
Is why I'm just gonna.
But Apex has denied payouts before, so you'd have to. I recommend doing your own research into it as well. It's pushing.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if it can continue pushing here.
Previous session low. Oh, so decoupled. Nine seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5. That's a S. Wick to wick SMT in the lows.
Do you look at Forbes trade real quick? Let's see how we are trading from this 15-minute gap. So it looks good to me.
Let's see if YM falls.
Yeah. We will say.
So if we break through, I'm looking bearish for value gap. I want to see inverse sell in a 1 minute for value gap. I mean, if that's a part of your plan, man, if that's a full model for you, that's a full model for you. It is not a model for me, though. 2 minutes. This is 1 minute and quarter and 45.
I like how it's moving right now. Ideally, would like to see a 5-minute change of state delivery here. Give it 2 more minutes. If it creates a 5-minute change of state delivery, this will be an optimal entry for a long.
Yeah, let's wait on that. I'm not entering on that. At least yet. And we wait again. Damn, ES was looking good too. Or it's like, it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now there's a change of state on ES.
So once again, in 4 minutes 30 seconds here, if you get a 5-minute change of state delivery, I think it's gonna be a good. It'll be an optimal long here.
Oh,
Look, you think it's a good entry?
no, I messed up. Actually, got in and got out, and then I hit my daily.
Oh,
Trade limit.
it's all good. It's all
Yeah.
good.
All good.
If you guys want an early signal, I think right now is a good time to get in. Looking at the 1 minute, we have a true market structure shift. Put your stop loss at the low. This would be an early signal, by the way. If you want to play it safe, wait another 3 minutes here. If you get a change state delivery, that would be the optimal entry here.
I'm in on my evals.
Fire. What's chat saying?
Oh, yeah, right.
We should look at chat.
Do you think PA is kind of iffy these days because we're at all-time highs?
No, I think the narrative is still really good. If you go to the daily chart, YM just traded into a daily fair value gap. There's a clean market maker buy model in the hourly chart right now. That's why I think YM is moving cleaner. But if you look right now, NQ literally just manipulated the equal lows, creating a 5-minute SMT. Now we're creating a change of state. If we create a change of state delivery, it'll be really good for longs. I'm already in longs on NQ. That's why I gave you guys the early signal. because the 1 minute created a true market structure shift, which is why I
Yeah.
think it's very nice for a long. From here, I'd pretty much just want to see expansion higher. My stops are already at break even. And I just want to see that expansion higher. And this will be, if we see aggressive buying here, then we know that this is manipulation. All the sellers are being trapped right now. That's exactly what we want to see when we enter a trade. And this is also another way you can tell that price is going to continue in your intended narrative, is when we're sweeping lows and see such an aggressive buy afterwards, right? And all three markets are moving in sync on a bullish manner, then you know that we're using those lows to order pair to send price higher, right? So it's just using the fundamentals of a market maker model to continue giving us confidence in this idea. Maybe I got stopped out break even earlier, but after this sweep on liquidity, we're using the liquidity bullishly, right? Which is why I have confidence to enter another long. If I get stopped out on a break even, then that's typically not something you want to see when price is going to be bullish, right? You sweep below, you want to see price just expand higher from it because it's order pairing. You don't want to see it just hesitate and chill around. That's why I'm already break even. Yo, look at this Dow trade. It's actually freaking insane.
Yeah, it's flying.
It's just flying, bro. Crazy. Pretty nice. Yeah, so this is where I'd want to see NQ continue going higher. So right now, I'm watching the swing high within that fair value gap on the 5-minute chart in 7 seconds. If we invert that, that's going to be your true market structure shift for the 5-minute. And this is where you can potentially, you can just enter along here if you're waiting for the safe entry. So enter right now. Stop loss would be below the up close candle that just formed, and you just be riding this higher.
Yeah.
Right, and you're gonna be looking for that all-time high yet again, because the higher time frame narrative, right, is what's telling us to look for these higher prices. So the trade would be, it would give you a 2R trade pretty much. So this is the trade that we'd be in right now.
Yeah, that's the answer to your question. Self-mastery capital, that's where your TP would be. And if you have a trailing strategy, then you can use that as well.
Yeah.
Two handsome gentlemen long in the market. What's good, Daniel? I haven't seen you in forever. Or maybe 3.
What's up, Daniel?
Or maybe 3. I'll mute myself for a second because someone's in the bathroom.
Okay. Side liquidity is what I'd like to see.
Oh, let's see that push. Oh, there's the flush.
Yep. I'm watching the 1 minute right now because there's a lot of gaps here. I'm gonna start trailing this pretty aggressively though. If we get a breakage structure right here. Nasdaq looking solid still.
Pretty freaking solid.
Dow's looking solid.
Usually watch without chatting. Hey yo, bro, stalking.
Man, bro's stalking us. Daniel, you should be sitting here next to us.
Yeah, where you
Yeah,
at, bro?
bro.
Where you at? We're all men here, bro. No worries. God.
I'm really liking the development of price as of right now. Let's Let's watch NASDAQ 15-minute chart. Still looks really nice. Just a quick little turtle soup on the low, you know what I'm saying?
Turtle soup.
Look for this inversion of this 15-minute gap, and we should start seeing price just fly higher. If anyone's wondering my entry, personally, my entry was at this 1 minute candle right here. This inversion for Valley Gap, I entered on that 23,090, but this is where I called it out at 23,096 because that was a true market structure shift, which is pretty clean to me.
Super saying. Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, once again, let's just go up a time frame here so it's a little cleaner. Like 90-minute chart is where my narrative is mainly built off of, right? YM took out this external range low, NQ failed to, and so that's why I'm looking for this external range high from this narrative. We have a London low SMT as well with YM.
ES was pretty good to trade too.
Yeah, ES was also a good one to trade. I think NASDAQ just decided to make the manipulation.
Okay.
What's chat saying?
Can't just say true story.
True story. Yeah. Okay. Damn, your eval's eating, bro.
Ish.
Your TFDs will make it one day.
One day.
Soon.
Oh, also on July 26th to 30th, we probably won't stream. Most likely will not stream. Maybe IRL stream, but we probably won't stream because we're gonna be going to Japan. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So maybe we'll do probably not a trading stream though. I really doubt a trading stream, but we'll say hi.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a while to play out.
Yeah, it'll be a while.
All right, we're still gonna end stream at 10 today, just because we haven't eaten yet, and we should probably go get something to eat.
Late night dinner, bro.
Yeah, and to us it's night. Remember that, guys? So we hungry and tired, bro. Again? Going to Japan again? Yes, for me, yes, again. And Ethan, it
For
will
me,
be his
it's
first
my
time.
first time, yeah.
But it'll be my first time in Osaka, so it'll be a new experience for me as well.
Excited. Very excited.
Excited. Just for a couple of days, though.
Yeah.
Keep it nice and brief. Nice and wholesome. Market maker buy model is
Sir
clean.
Daniel, you get it. He gets it.
Yes, Tursky.
I think I might try the 1 minute here.
What was my entry on my eval look like? Oh, damn. Spicy. Alright. Yeah, my entry on my eval is 23,083. Or 082 to 5. That's pretty good. Looking for higher prices. This is a current position. Wait, let me put it back. How do I put a tab back onto this? I've always like tried to do that. I don't know.
So what are you doing?
Like put this tab back onto here.
Oh, you drag.
This needs to be full screen. Right?
I don't know, actually.
I just reopen it. Yeah, it's interesting.
We buy a MacBook, but we have no idea how to use it, bro. Grew up with Windows, bro.
Don't go Nara. Trust me, drop by the adult shop at. Alright, bro. Nothing dangerous, pretty interesting.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna pass on that this time. Maybe next time. The adult shop can wait. Alright. See if we get some speed through the highs and maybe a gap. That would just be like I could fall asleep and I would be pretty confident.
Yeah, if we close above this high, move to break even on this trade. Because this is the first internal range high. I wouldn't want price to revisit that. Or if it does, it'd have to be like after it speeds to this high. Ideally. Can we check the 1 minute real quick? It looks like a 1 minute pool of liquidity is being formed. Yeah, you see, YM looks like it's forming this pool of liquidity. So we still got quite some time before this next quarter. So yeah, we'll see if we get a sweep on this. This would be a 15-second SMT. Sweep on this potentially, whereas YM stays above it. YM continues to push higher. NQ continues to push higher, and then YM sweeps that, continues to push higher. So that's kind of what my eye's looking at right now. But once again, that will be a 15-second SMT. So here we go. YM pushing lower into that sell side pool as of right now. And we'd want to see this act as accumulation, manipulation, distribution within this leg of price right here. Nice. So pushing into that sell side now.
So they move in tandem
it's
after.
created this SMT now. So now what I would like to see is YM to continue pushing higher from these lows, ideally. If there's a 5-minute fair value gap here, which there is, right? 5-minute, 15-second SMT, that would be the time frame alignment. That's what I'd like to see from this gap. And then that would be the same thing with NQ. But right now, if it does take out that low, then that would be invalidation of this SMT.
Let's see chat. Should I pyramid if price displaces through 9 a.m. high? I don't think you should pyramid in based off that, no. That put your, it depends on when your entry is, but that would put your break even really high. If you entered where we were, or even in the earlier signal, if you were to scale in past that, I think that'd be a pretty, it'd put you in a pretty bad position in terms of risk. Enjoying your analysis. Thanks, guys. No worries, Mikey Mike. It's mostly Ethan talking, but I'll read the chat.
No, you're good, bro. I'm not a fan of how Dow is treating this fair value gap, I can't lie. I want to see it like really respected here. It could very much retrace back into there. I don't see a reason for it to retrace right now, though. Other than that accumulation.
Oh wait, let me change the title. Boom. Let's see what we can get here. Whole lot of nothing. Whole lot of nothing. Would prefer for these next 2 minutes that NQ closes above the previous one point. That'd be ideal. Let's see if we live in an ideal world.
Yeah, we'll see. There's a lot of things that would have been ideal.
Put my stop loss super tight and profit, so I'm fully out, but satisfied with today. Stress-free day. Good stuff, Aaron. Followed your plan, I hope. Maybe why I'm going for NWOG for support.
Where's the NWOG?
Yo, I hate when my chart just like geeks out.
We got 1 more minute here for the hourly candle close, I believe. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. This is hourly candle close. Oh, it dug so deep that second hourly candle.
Mm-hmm.
Eli, are you seeing that long? I mean, look at the tool, brother. Got the tool on.
I don't like why price is failing to displace up to the buy side liquidity. Like, that's the only thing I don't like on Dow right now. Because it's like kind of just turned around right before that buy side liquidity pool on the hourly chart. Not a fan.
Alright, let's see, this 5 minute. If I can create an order block, breaking these highs too, not a bad trail spot. We'll see. 3 minutes.
Like, NQ looks better than YM now, in my opinion.
a little flip.
Yeah.
A little flippy floppy. Discombobulated. Let's see if we can get a NWOG at 44,559. Okay. Oh, personally, not really looking at the NWOG right now, but that could be a possibility for sure. Lords FX Ethan, bro, what's up?
We're probably gonna head out here though, cause we're my
Yeah,
mom's
ready.
waiting. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, NQ actually looks so much better than YM right now.
YM is the weakest asset to the upside, so it makes sense that NQ looks better to the highs. Yes, being the middle asset in terms of strength. For sure. Got Daniel with the asset analysis.
What do you mean by like weakest to the upside though? Isn't it the one that created the failure swing and is pushing to the high the most right now?
15-minute change in state delivery on NQ.
Okay. But regardless, can you check the 1 minute or 15 second? Like, do we still have that SMT? We still have that 15-second SMT. This still looks valid to me. It's just this 5 minute fair value gap looks horrendous now. Oh, it tapped into the second 5 minute fair value gap. Never mind.
Yeah, it took out that no wick low.
Okay, so I guess this is where I'd want to see it expand. Either way, this is where I just want to see YM expand higher because I want to see NQ expand higher. So. Alright, anyways, we actually have to head out here. You guys know the game plan.
Yeah.
If NQ closes above this swing high annotated on price right now, you move stops to break even, okay? And then just hold to TP. That is it. That's the game plan, okay?
Simple pimple.
Yeah.
I don't
Okay,
like that
so
saying.
we're gonna. Why'd you say simple pimple, bro? Okay, anyways, on that note, take care, everyone. And we'll be back at it sometime soon. We'll announce it in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, it's completely free in the description down below.
Yeah.
So yeah, catch you guys.
More dual streams. TP is all-time highs.
Yeah.
Reminder, July 26th to 30th, we will very most likely not be streaming, both of us.
Yeah, we're gonna be in Japan.
Oh, you might have
so-
to tell Jesse.
Oh,
Is there any day that you're supposed to be working?
oh shoot! Yeah, let me. I'll tell him. in
Yeah,
advance.
yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go on a little bit of a 4-day vacation to celebrate our time here. But yeah, I'll be streaming again. What day is it tomorrow? Yeah, I'll be streaming again tomorrow. I'm not sure if Ethan can tag along tomorrow, but we'll see what his plan is tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll see what time. I might be able to. I might not.
Yeah.
Oh wait, tomorrow I can't because it's Friday, so I gotta go live on STV.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'll catch you guys.
Take
All
care,
right,
everyone.
peace,
Have a
peace,
good
peace,
night.
peace, peace.